Hey, Zoe and Danny. I think the mailman brought something. Let's go look. Let's go look.
Open the door, Daddy.
Danny's got it. Can you help Danny with that part, Zoe? She unlocked it. Open it, Zoe.
You did, Daddy.
Oh my! What is that?
Toys!
Toys?
Oh, look!
Oh!
What toys?
The mailman brought toys!
Oh, look!
Well, bring those boxes inside. Bring the boxes inside.
No, that's mine, Daddy.
Yours is over there, Danny.
Daddy, would you move the door?
Okay. There. Wait, let Zoe inside, Danny. Let Zoe inside and then you go get yours. Danny. Okay. Danny's coming in. Oh my, I wonder who sent this special box for Zoe and Danny.
Grand and Big Daddy.
Oh wow! Come on, go inside.
Would you kill them?
Come on. Oh my! Danny, what did Grand and Big Daddy send you?
Wow.
Show me.
The mailman bought these for us.
Oh my, look inside the box. Take out the toilet.
And Wi-Fi.
Wow.
And Wi-Fi. And a pig.
Fee for your money.
See?
Ahorrar, ¿cómo se dice?
Save.
You can save your money.
Oh my! What?
Look, Mommy.
Let me see. What is that?
Parece un rosado.
A Polly necklace.
Wow. Oh, and
Oh, okay.
have what's this?
Bracelet.
Wow.
Oh look, glow sticks for the nighttime. Oh boy. Jack? And two. Wow, Zoe. What else do you got? What else? What is it? Let me see. Show. I can't see. Turn it around. What is it? A flute. You're gonna make some pretty music. What's that? Fingernails to pick up the dirty leaves? Let me see. Oh boy.
Oh.
Oh, a ribbon twirler. Let me see. Okay, what else? Danny, in your box, look, there's more. Es para hacer que vuelen. Es. Oh, specially Jacks. Danny, what's that? What's that you put on the floor? Over here, right here.
No.
Yeah, Play-Doh. And little shapes that you can cut out. What about this, Danny? What's this? Oh, Zoe, so you can hang on your door. And you put pictures in it.
Danny, this is a hungry caterpillar.
Look, there's a very hungry caterpillar.
Okay.
Okay, go do that. No, Danny, that's not yours. Here, what's this? I think this is yours too. What is it? Elmo book.
Wow, 2 boxes.
A pig.
Okay, you have to sit down.
And look, you can put your money in there. Look, give it to Danny. Give it to. Look, Danny, you put your money in.
Okay.
Oh, you want some more money?
And two monies.
Okay. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, you want to open your ribbon? Here, let's open this up so you can play with it. There, let me see. Oh boy. No, that's for the nighttime day. We're not going to open the ghost for the nighttime. Oh my. Whee! It's a ribbon! So you can twirl it. Woo! You want to twirl it? Okay, twirl it. Whee! That's Danny's going. You have your toys. Here, fix this up. Here, Zoe. Here, Danny, twirl your ribbon. Zoe, let me see your ball game. Your little ball, your skee ball game. Come here, Danny, twirl your ribbon. Twirl your ribbon. Whee! Here, Zoe, let's see. Let's see here. How does this work? Oh, this looks like fire. Let's see, there's probably no instructions.
Play-Doh.
Let's put so you can see how many points you have.
Open
Let's see,
Play-Doh.
take this. No. Those are for Zoe's game. Let's see. Okay, I think this probably goes up. Or you can fold it. You can close it.
Open those, Daddy. Open all, Daddy. Those are mine. Those are mine. You have to.
Let's figure this out here.
Those are you. That's a net.
Yeah, and you go like this and you throw the balls up.
And then
Where do we put?
that goes up.
You think like this?
Uh-huh.
I think it's
I can't hear it.
like. Oh, right there. Okay, so that goes in there. And then.
¿Cuánto va a durar el video?
Oh, Daddy, open those, please.
¿Le dijeron gracias?
Open those.
Go say. What do you say to Gran and Big Daddy?
Thank you, Gran and Big Daddy.
Say thank you.
Oh,
Hey, look at mommy.
Hi, Big Daddy.
What do you say?
Hi, Big Daddy.
What do you say for your toys?
Thank you, Big Daddy. Thank you, Big Daddy and Gran.
You like the toys?
Yes.
Yeah.
These are flying
Okay, Danny, what do you say? Thank you.
toys. Thank you.
Love you.
Love you. Let me do a lot of stuff.
But wait a second, we gotta figure out how to put this